Still we are not crook. We are baby. You understand baby? Little tiny baby, 1 year old in the mama's lap. Still human being, little baby in their mama's lap. How sad. Think of it. So the yoga is the only thing in the world can make you realize who you are. How to be that person, every aspects in your life. Think of it. From today, 50 years later, still you will think you might not find 100% answer. But when you lock the fucking knee and kick your leg back, then you find out how body and mind are helping each other. This is practical proof. India proved it. But India proved it their own way. One person helping another person. Like a one doctor take care one patient. Right? What I created, think of it. That lady, I said that 2 times already, came to my school, wants to do yoga, suffering for a long time, about 55 years old, and wanted to meet me. But I don't have time to meet anybody. But somehow she convinced my secretary. So Bikram, we want to meet. I said, what can I do for you? He said, I have this problem. I'm suffering for 14 years or 16 years. This is my all medical report. I want you to study. Tell me you can help me or not. That is the standard people's life. You know what I told her? Can I see the paper? She gave it to me. This much paper. And I throw it in the trash. I says, you want to heal yourself, yes or no? She said, yes. You have to forget about this goddamn paper. Throw it. I said, sign the paper, admission paper, pay $25 for one class only. To my secretary, see you at 4:30. He said, why? He said, I will tell you what's your problem. Your number one problem is your brain. Your brain lost the key, so there is a hole. So I'll put the key and tightening up. And in the whole 90 minutes class, I told A to Z your heart problem. And if you don't do yoga, 10 years from now, what problem will come more? 20 years from now, what problem will come more? 50 years from now, you will be sayonara, sayonara,